Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So student, in this session we will gonna discuss about chapter number 5, presentation of data of economics. In economics, it will comes under statistics portion, जिसे हम stats भी बोलते हैं. Okay, first let me clear you about the meaning of presentation of data. When we present our data in a clear and attractive manner, that will be easily understood by the viewer who can easily analyze them, that is known as presentation of data. Okay, first today we will discuss about tabular presentation. That data we gonna represent, okay, rows and column in table form. Okay, that is known as tabular presentation. Presenting data in the form of table, that is known as tabular presentation. Today we will discuss about components of table. In table, what things we have to keep in mind. Okay, what are the parts of table? First, a table must be have table number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and it must be on top of it. Next, title must be in bold, dark, simple, clear and short, and it must represent the data or body of the data in the table. Okay, for example, I am going to collect marks or result of class 11th commerce, then I will have to write the class 11th commerce. Okay, any other can viewer get easily that the table is for the class 11th. Okay, head note, yes, head note gives the complete information about the titles. Okay, example, unit of data is preferably expressed in lakhs, crore, tons, and expressed in brackets at head tone. In last video, I in the chapter number organization classification data, a sum is given to you. Okay, in the number of families is written on it, and against it income were written on it. Above that income I will write 1000. Okay, that is known as head note. Okay, when title of the table is not giving you complete information, then we will use head note. Okay, stub means title of the rows. Example, name, class, roll number, section, that is known as stub. Caption means sorry, stub means example, uh, writing students names like Manmeet, how much marks I scored in English, Hindi, maths. Okay, stub means like this, horizontally data or horizontally record of each student, that is known as stub. Its title is known as stub. Rows, title of the rows is known as stub. Caption means title of the column. Example, name, class, roll number, section. Okay, these both are most important. Now body, yes, body means like we are having human body. Okay, hands, arms, legs. Okay, neck, face, head, these are the body. Okay, body means values of the various items in the table. Example, your class result must be represented in tabular form. Okay, it will gives you complete information of class 11th commerce student, that is known as body, provides you complete informations. Okay, footnote means clarification, that are given for clarification of the reader. Example, in your English books, in your Hindi books, some difficult words meaning were written on the below of the page. Okay, or at the down of the page, that is known as footnote. Source, yes, from where we collected the data, that is known as source. Example, I want to write any research paper. Okay, I have taken some material from the internet or from the books, publisher books, then I have to write the source of that data, from where I had taken that material, author name, magazine's name, newspaper name, that is known as resource. At last I am going to show you format of a table. First, format of a table number, yes, we read here. Title we read here. Head note we read here. Okay, stub means rows. Okay, rows heading is known as stub. Caption means Column title is known as stubs. Body means overall sum total of all items of the table is known as body. Read here. We read here. Footnote means for clarification of anything. Okay, footnote below of the table or down of the table. Source, at last from where we have collected the data. So student, it is the part 1 of presentation of data. Hopefully you will understand each point of it. Thanks everyone.